building up now to the final of the men's 100 metres. Oh, they're away, and Gatlin got away brilliantly, and he's ahead of the field at the moment, and Bolt going very, and here comes Usain Bolt! Usain Bolt storming through, he takes it again, Blake gets the...
Today we'll be making an emotional reggaeton beat that will make all the Latina women chase after you. So make sure you listen carefully, because after today you'll be a born-again producer who'll have the power to attract all the Latinas in the room. Trust me, I'm a professional and I know exactly what I'm talking about.
Because I've been here before, I'm a professional. This is what I did.
The key to making an emotional reggaeton beat is by using the right keys at the right time. Okay, with that said, let's grab a piano and work on some catchy emo chords. EQ and a compressor. Let's make a simple melody to go along with the chords and piano. Believe it or not, the piano, chords and melody are going to be our main instruments because reggaeton doesn't usually have a ton of instrumentation. Okay, attention from women is the only thing that can fill the void in my heart, because both my parents left me when I was a kid, so let's work on some fire drums that can hopefully grab some of the Latina women's attention. Let's export that shit so that we can save up on some CPU. Okay, now let's hear how the drums and piano sound like playing together with some FX.
I'm gonna come.
Oh yes baby, that is what I like. I can already hear the Latinas running my way. Okay, reggaeton basses are usually simple to work on. So let's grab a bass that hits as hard as the cocaine that I took during my depression after my ex left me. Compressor, distortion, and some EQ. A second bass for variation. Okay, let's see if we can find a smooth vocal that goes well with the beat before we wrap this shit up so that I can finally rush to get some much needed punani.
Baby, tú sabes lo que quiero, lo que yo más quiero es estar para ti. 25.000 horas y 100.000 por hora, pero estar para ti. Pa' ti, pa' ti, pa' ti. Pa' ti, pa' ti, pa' ti.
EQ, a vocal doubler, and some delay.
Baby, tú sabes lo que quiero, lo que yo más quiero es estar para ti. 25.000 horas y 100.000 por hora, pero estar para ti. Pa' ti, pa' ti.
The last thing we'll be doing for today is working on creating vocal chops. As you can see, I threw the vocals onto Serato sample so that we can have individual slices of the vocal to use as we please.
Póneme, yo voy. Póneme, 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 yo voy. Póneme,